You are watching August 2019 monthly Billboard Row update right from Sunset Strip in West Hollywood. The Pineapple Express but delivery is still here. There is no people in front of Love Factory. Tonight, those are people tonight. This is famous Green Blood Daily. There was some rapper that got shot in here. Alright. This month, Sunset Strip billboards are filled with for your consideration for Emmy. They even made acronym FYC. The chick who turned legal is gone. Now something else in there on that billboard. This Netflix billboard said, "Dear white people, there is more than one like this." Another Netflix billboard, Mindhunter or something, season 2, August 16, in 3 days from now. Masterpiece, also Netflix, letter N on the bottom, 16 Emmy nominations. HBO, Conan, TBS. And here is Apple product, the Tyler creator of something, very bad quality picture, but it actually advertises iPhone photo capability. Pink Taco chain of restaurants. That one is a movie, August 16. That whip out of nowhere, here again, on the left. That hair designer is here again. I was glad to see him gone, annoying. What's that, some kind of Emmy nomination again. Black Mirror. Okay. Over there, Mad Men, I guess, red billboard, chain of stores. This one is Netflix again, Douglas, what's that, FX channel, Supernatural Flow, hair product, I guess, HBO, Gemstones. This electronic is NBC all the time, every time. Approaching Comedy Store. Unfortunately, I can't stop in front because too congested. People still trying to get in. Surviving R. Kelly. I just learned he doesn't know how to write and read. This one is Taylor Swift, MTV Monday or something. Again, this thing plus uplift. Delivered marijuana is, I think. Again, this movie. This one is always Comedy Central, this billboard. Here is Amazon Prime, which is competition. Netflix competition. YouTube originals. Marshmallow in Palms Hotel Vegas. Target. Quality Time Amazon Original. Second Amazon Billboard. Good. This Ticket Nation, I think. Apple Music on the left and on the right. Ray-Ban glasses. Here is little restaurant zone and fashion. And there you go. Shot on iPhone. The same. Who is this? I don't know. What's on the right? Hulu. Another competition. Network competition. This one I don't put elbows on the table. And here is a fair. August 25 showtime. Anti-Man channel. House of Cards. Ozark. 13 nomination. Another. I'm kind of displeased with this Our Planet. It's kind of natural documentary, but it's a guilt trip, like human consumption, destroying the planet, and cute animals. What's this? E channel. Another Virgin Jane for Emmy, Songland, Emmy again or something. HBO Whole Wall. Elton John. Apple Music again. Third Billboard. 6 Emmy. Queer Eye. Flow, it's probably, who knows, either drink or hair product. We're gonna turn around after that traffic light. Mindhunter again, season 2, Netflix. And this is some kind of alcohol. What do you call it? Bombay gin. Gin. Let's turn around after the Chinese restaurant. Chapter 2, IT, or what is that? I have no idea. Some kind of Netflix again, and this HBO. Focus, please. Check out this HBO. 32 Emmy nominations. Game of Thrones. So many nominations makes them worthless. This is guest sport, fashion. Again, Apple Music. Those two billboards are advertising picture on an iPhone. On the left it's Travis Scott. And on the right is Kamashi. That to me, yeah, it's Netflix. Letter N on the bottom. Ozark 9 nominations. Homecoming, Netflix. Marshmello on YouTube Music. They had Ariana Grande also featured on Billboard like that. So Marshmello apparently in Palms, Vegas, and on YouTube. 16 nominations. This is Jimmy Kimmel. It can't be nominated for anything good because it's not original format. He's just a guy sitting and hosting Crash and Stars. Not supposed to be appreciated. Again, empty tables, good to see. People came there to see how candles burn on the table. Screw up restaurant, repeat it for. I ran out of food probably on a breakfast time. So it's Real Friends. Check this out. This part of it too. Forgot what that social media called. And this is rated G. Something to do with Disney. And here is Ariana Grande. Social House Boyfriend. Marshmallow again. Third time already. Showtime. Sacha Baron Cohen. Blink Funny, NBC, local, channel 4. Dora still here. I magnify because otherwise in darkness nothing gets captured. So I have to magnify, sorry, just distracting. If you want to see the video without my comments, check out link in description. Secret video. Pure, no comments, no magnification video of the same ride. Okay. Pig blackness. Why women kill? Good to know. I don't want to learn about it. What's this? Alright. Target store again. We are passing by this House of Blues building. It's already built. 10-story building here instead. Good use of space. Final betrayal, power. Get the channel, get the upstairs. So power looks like black power to me. And winner is Louis Vuitton, and just like what they put on this billboard every time. Mindhunter again. And this is Brad Pitt on a roof. This is delivery food, Postmates. And this is gross billboard, Saint Laurent. Bad taste. See this billboard in every city in America. Horrible. 32 Emmy nomination, Game of Thrones. Bruce Lee from Tarantino movie. Prada, also nice billboard. Another Tarantino movie, 9210. And this is Gil Tribu, Crap, 10 nominations. Polo Fashion, Dear White People, August 2nd on Netflix. Alright, I don't see any white people on that billboard. 6 duplets. So, some kind of comedy, I guess. This is another Netflix. Here is YouTube Originals. Shawn Mendes, Camila Cabrillo. No idea what they are, who they are. And we are back to where we started. Let's check this. Original documentary. Apparently Netflix has documentary. New York Times, August 16. Okay, thank you for watching this update. See you in a month from now again.